Okay guys, here we are. This is a video for unboxing R35 coil packs kit from Platinum Racing Products, we call PRP. I ordered this set for my R32 GTR. So the car is running with standard ECU and everything stock standard except for the exhaust. So I'm going to show you what's inside the box, and then it will help you when you order the kit and then get an understanding what you're going to get for $1,360. So this is Australian dollars, but it is so everyone recommended this PRP kit, saying that this is very good and this is ultimate upgrade that we can do, because the other similar or the top end kit we have is the LS coil packs. LS coils are pretty big, we can't hide them inside the rocker cover. So this is actually R35 coils, pretty much. So they explain like cars up to 2,400 horsepower still using R35 coil pack. So my car is stock standard, so there are not many actually use this coil pack on with a standard ECU on a standard car. Most of the cars are highly modified or at least got a custom ECU or a piggyback ECU. So let's see what's inside the box, and will help you to find out when you order the parts and whether it is worth it, or what you're going to get with the box. Okay, cool. So we've got some packing here. A little bit here. So we got the silicon coil pack extensions to suit with the R32. This is what they made custom, other than the R35 coil pack. And I got a brand new loom. So this loom gonna bypass the standard igniter of the engine, because these coil packs got an inbuilt igniter on it, so we don't need the standard igniter on the car. So this loom will help me to bypass the igniter. All right, cool. And here I got the I ordered the color black. They got nearly around 10 colors or custom colors. You can order this bracket in any color. This is where your R35 coils gonna sit on it. So we got the PRP logo here, Platinum Racing Products. So yeah, pretty cool and not that heavy. That's good. And we got 3 packs of Hitachi R35 coils. So I'll open these boxes and show you what's inside them. Alright, we got 2 in each box. So yeah, this is the part number and it's made in Japan. So it looks like the original one. Okay, so this silicon extension will go on top of this. I don't know, I'm not too sure. I need to remove this bit. Let's find out. I'll go into their website and find out, because there's no instruction document or a manual or anything with the box. I need to follow their website, PRP Racing Products, or you can contact them via Facebook group and also their website. Okay, so I got 6 of coil packs, and yeah, so they're pretty same, pretty much equal. All right, I'll get you back with a different video with the current setup with my cold start, which I explained in the other video. I had a little bit of misfire. I think that is due to the resistance in the loom, because they are 25 years old. Let's see, and I will give you an feedback and also a different video after I do the installation, and what makes the power difference and how it will feel different, because I'm not planning to do a dyno yet, because I feel like no point, because I can't do a tune with the standard ECU. It's just pretty much driving and see. All right, so my car is only 70,000 kilometers at the moment. So after I pass 100,000, I will get a custom ECU and turbo upgrade, and then I will think of doing a dyno and see how it goes. All right, that's it for today, and I will come back to you with a different video. All right, hope this helped you to understand what was inside the box. Thank you very much.